Hi, I'm Tim from Scoop. Globally, the security industry has shown a rapid increase in demand for video surveillance systems for businesses and homeowners. With a variety of product offerings at different price points, understanding product functionalities will help you decide on the best solution. This video highlights the benefits of UniFi Protect and why it should be considered for your CCTV applications. Protect has evolved from a very conservative product line into a fully fledged surveillance system. This ranges from home security to professional installations at scale. There are solutions for both indoor and outdoor applications, and most models support PoE for ease of installation. All cameras provide crisp, clear video and high-quality audio feeds. Some models provide two-way audio as an extra feature. All cameras support infrared night vision at various distances, and if you wish to add extra security, you could integrate the UniFi Protect floodlight. In order to use UniFi Protect, a hardware console that supports the UniFi Protect application is required. This provides an intuitive, user-friendly experience to manage all cameras from a centralized location. There's no need to configure individual cameras, and minimal know-how is required to operate the system effectively. There are several consoles to choose from depending on the size of your deployment. The consoles range from supporting a single camera all the way up to a maximum of 60 cameras. Larger consoles such as the UDM Pros and dedicated MBRs offer greater storage potential. Consoles can be linked to your Ubiquiti single sign-on account, so there's no need for port forwarding or VPN setup. It's possible to link multiple Protect consoles to a single account and access it from anywhere via web browser or the UniFi Protect mobile app. All your content and network information remains local, secure, and within your control. The advantages of accessing your data locally are plenty. The footage is not compressed, resulting in the highest quality stream when viewing remotely. This is in contrast to traditional cloud-based storage, which sacrifices quality due to overcompression and is generally far less secure. UniFi Protect offers an incredibly user-friendly feature set. Most UniFi cameras have the AI Smart Detect feature, which is designed for vehicle and person detection. This prevents false alarms and saves storage by not making recordings of animals, foliage, and other anomalies. Alert notifications can be pushed via the UniFi Protect mobile app or email depending on preference. This feature goes hand in hand with AI detection to reduce false alarms. Sharing live streams with others is as simple as copying a link and sending it to the intended recipient. They can view the feed without any extra effort. For security reasons, the link is restricted to a one-time single viewer access. No additional UniFi Protect user account is required. Geofencing is designed to prevent security alerts while you're on site. It can be configured to include other users operating on the same premises. This mitigates notifications triggered by friendlies. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an end user, it's extremely easy to hit the ground running without prior training. Remote access via Ubiquiti single sign-on remains 100% free regardless of how many consoles you manage. Ubiquiti's ethos of simplifying IT rings true to the UniFi Protect range, and almost anybody can effectively deploy a cutting-edge surveillance system. UniFi continues to evolve from strength to strength in the security technology sphere. We use UniFi Protect on all of our premises and we are extremely satisfied. Please engage with us in the comments, and if you're enjoying our content, you know what to do. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Tim from Scoop.